Right, currencies. Not a lot setting up a currency at the moment. This is the yen index at JY. Looking for this to pull back to trendline support and then start to move up. So I can get a pull back to here. I will look at some yen pairs to see if we can get a move back up and through here. So let's look at some other currencies. Like this currency, this is Euro CAD on the daily. Risk reward ratio is 4.4 to 1, but you've got to have a big stop. It's a shooting star right on under the 50 EMA, so it's very, very good. Right, you're looking for a break of 132.98 to the short side with a stop above 134.72 with a target of 126.48. I will be putting an order in for a break of that. Let's see if there's anything else setting up. Euro dollar, it's closed above the 80 EMA, so but it's got a high value chart reading. I'm not doing anything on that one. Euro Swissy, big shooting star, but you've got to have a massive stop on that one, not touching that one. Euro pound, right, I've got a shooting star under the 50 EMA. Let's have a look at this one. So it's a break of 86.85. Got to have a huge stop, 87.76. It's not that huge. There's only a 90-point stop with a target of, let's work this out. Right, risk reward ratio on this euro pound is not working. It's 2 to 1, so I'm not taking that. Euro yen, it's got a potential holding bar, but not trading that. There's no trade there at the moment. Euro Aussie dollar, let me just eyeball that. So you're going to have a stop at 84.64. Nope, not trading that. Very big stop. US dollar yen, possible reversal bar, not trading it. There's no trade there at the moment. US dollar Swissy, I've been looking at this for the last 3 days. Got 3 days of topping tails, but it would not break, and the value chart is practically down to the midline, so not taking this. Looks as if it's waiting for the 8-day moving average to come across and getting ready to move to the upside. It will not break down, and you can see on this fibs level we've got highs up here of 122.90. So if we can break up here, if you can hold, wait the EMA and break up here, it could be a very nice trade, but not trading it. There's no trade there at the moment. US dollar CAD. Right, let's have a look at this one. Butting up against major resistance as above the 200 EMA. Looks to me as if it's consolidating and waiting to move to the upside. So if you're not in this, I would not trade it. I would leave it alone because there's no other setup there. There's the hammer down there, very, very nice on the 50 EMA. Talked about this before, but no other trades there. US dollar Swissy, just talked about that one. Why am I looking at that again? Pound Aussie dollar, touch of the 200 EMA. So 173.59 for a short entry. 73.59. I'm not taking that. I'm sticking to the Euro CAD, Pound CAD. Retest of the 50 EMA, and looks as if high value chart reading. Looks as if that's heading to the downside. Risk reward ratio is not there for short. 153 is a target of 184.50. Where is it there? Hang on a second. 153. Need a stop at 154.40. So you've got 140 point stop, but a target of 450 points. 450 point target. What did I say the stop was? 5,330 point stop. Yeah, that's a good trade. Pound CAD is a good trade. Just reassess that slightly. Yeah. If we get a breakdown of 153, that's good for a target of 148.38. Okay, going to look at that one. Pound yen, no trade. Pound Swissy, no trade. Pound New Zealand, pullback, no trade. And our very own sterling versus the US dollar, no trade, trapped in a range. That's it. Hope that helps. Email me any questions. Thanks very much. Bye for now.